Yeah, hey tubers, well I guess I'll do a cold start on the truck. If you notice, I got a new battery here. Well, when I got the new battery, the guy said the battery is pretty much drained out. Someone said to clean the terminals, but that wasn't the problem. It was pretty much dead. It didn't even want to charge itself. So guess we'll do a cold start on the truck. Hasn't been started for like a week or so. So see what happens. Should start because it has the brand new battery in it. Alrighty, we get the keys out. And the starter. No problem. New battery and everything. So, alright tubers, that's the cold start of the truck. It's been sitting here for like a week or so in the garage. Ever since my sister, gave me about a week. Yeah. Alright, see ya.